Hello guys! Welcome back to my short video, and for today's short video, since wala pong water sa buong building, maliligo tayo ng Star. Ayan. I bought 2 packs of 6 pieces, 1 liter water. So, experience natin for today's video kung ano ba ang feeling na maligo ng Star. Pagkaligo natin, baka maging megastar na tayo or superstar, or baka naman star for all seasons. So ready na ba kayo? Ganon.